Here you're going to learn how to add product image or color swatch variations to variations on a WooCommerce WordPress website. So you can see here we've got color variations already, and this is outlined in a previous training video on YouTube. So have a look at that if you haven't already added the variations. But here you can see each time we select a variation, it doesn't change the image stays the same. What we want to do is add an image that's related specifically to the individual variation, so that when we select black, we receive a black image, and when we select white, we receive an image of the product in white. So let's go ahead to the back end of your site, and to achieve this you need this plugin here, WooCommerce Variation Swatches and Photos. So it's on the WooCommerce website, you can just download it from there. Once you've downloaded that, come to the product section on your website, all products, and we're going to search for this specific product that we want to add the image variations to, which is here, the oval electric oil burners. Now once this product's loaded, you can see that we've already set it up as a variable product, which is perfect. And now that the plugin is installed and activated, you can come to swatches. This tab won't be here until you have this plugin in. So you can see that it's already picking up the color attribute, which is the color that we already have on the site. And here you can select whether you'd like your color variations to be custom colors and images or radio buttons. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to add images. So I'm going to select images, and I'm going to say, let's put the label below, why not? The size, we'll leave the size as is for the moment. This will allow us to have a play with it when we need to. So you can see here I've got my black. So the first thing I want to do is to upload the image for my color. So I'm going to change this from, rather than selecting a color, I'm going to save it to image. I upload my image through the upload tab. Once my images are uploaded, they're displayed here in the media library. So we are going to upload the black image for the moment. So let's select the image, use this image, and you can see that the image is there now. And let's do white at exactly the same time. So we're going to use an image and select the image, use this media. That's all we need to do for the moment. So come back and update the product listing, and come to the front end of the site and refresh the site. And as you can see, this doesn't look so great. The thumbnails are way too small for us to provide a really good user experience. So let's come back to the listing and go back to swatches. And what we want to do now is we want to change the image size. So you've got some preset image sizes. Why don't we just use these and see what works best? This will be a matter of trial and error for your own site. So I'm going to use the medium image size and see how this looks now. That's no good either, so we'll come back again and let's go back to swatches, color. Let's choose the WooCommerce swatch image size and save this. Oh, it still looks absolutely terrible, so we still haven't chosen the right size, but as you can see, it's just a matter of trial and error for your site. Let's try the shop thumbnail and see if this gives us a better layout option now. And that looks fantastic. So now you can see that the user has the opportunity to select the color of the product or the product variation based on an image rather than just a drop down. So it's a much better user experience. They get a visual of the product in the variant that they're selecting.